Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Guys, in this video I'm going to be going through key lessons that I've learned with trading for 2 years with funded accounts, okay? Now guys, I highly recommend watch all of this video because again, I'm going to drop absolute gems in this video that I genuinely hope you guys take away and incorporate into your trading journey, okay? Make sure that my failures and the things where I've gone wrong are your successes and that you avoid the key mistakes that I'm going to be explaining in this video, okay guys? But guys, before I begin this video, don't forget to join my Discord and Telegram group and any other group down in my description below. Again, on the Discord, you get tons of free content, and same on the Telegram group. Again, it's just a way for me to be in contact with you guys. So guys, feel free to check that out in the description below and join right away. So guys, key lesson number one is to pace yourself on your trading journey. Now, you may have heard of a lot of people saying that they entered the trading game, they started to over leverage, they put huge trades on and they blew accounts straight from the get-go. They basically lost a bunch of live money, real money from the very beginning. And again, they didn't pace themselves on their journey to not only learning how to trade, but profitability, okay? So guys, I'm gonna quickly explain what I found is the best kind of ideal path for you guys to follow. Again, you don't have to follow this. I've just found that this would be the most ideal path. But when you come into trading, number one, understand that the key thing is to genuinely take it step by step. Of course, number one, you're going to need a trading strategy. And for me personally, at this very moment in time, I trade ICT stuff. So guys, YouTube him and look at his strategy. That's what I trade. I really like that strategy because again, it works in line with the logic of the market rather than any random indicator. That's what you're going to need, number one. And number two, as you practice this, make sure that not only you learn the concepts and you take time to learn the concepts, but also forward test it or back test it or do both. A lot of people can just pick up the strategy and be like, right, I want to put some money in and live trade. Don't do that. Resist the urge to do that. Make sure that you learn the strategy. After you've learned the strategy, demo trade and forward test and back test. Don't put any live money in yet, okay? So guys, that's the next key step. And once you've done that, then prove to yourself that you have got a profitable trade plan. So I'd say trading for at least a month or seeing if you can pass some, like for example, FTMO do a free trial challenge. If you can pass one of the challenges, and if you can, that's a good signal that again, you've been able to pass a challenge and you've been able to stick to your rules. So that's number one, okay? Take it as a journey. Learn the strategy, make sure you test it thoroughly, demo trade, and then go into live trading, okay? Guys, believe me, this is so key. There is such a big urge to live trade and put money in straight away. But honestly, it's really going to do you harm. You're going to be losing money. It's that for a fact. And the reason being in particular is because when you start to live trade, you start to understand the psychological game of it, okay? And again, this is going to be touched in point 3 in this video, okay? So like I said, it takes time to get there. And don't forget, guys, even when you begin live trading and even when you've shown to yourself that you've got a profitable strategy, doesn't mean that you're going to be profitable every single month. There are going to be hurdles. You're going to learn certain things that you didn't see before. And just accept that this is part of the journey, okay? There's no perfect route. For any business or for anything that you want to do in life, you're always going to have setbacks and punches in the face. And believe me, I have definitely gone through them. But like I said, before you put any money in, make sure you go through that process, understand the strategy fully, demo test it, and then go into live trading, okay? Again, it's so key that you do that. Before you put any money on the line, make sure that you have proven absolute competence or at least a great deal of competence in trading before you go on into it and risk live money or even take a challenge for that matter. Because again, challenges you're going to have to pay for, and therefore you want to make sure that you have proven competence within yourself, okay guys? Now, number 2, like I said, this actually plays off number 1, but expect failures. Again, every business has setbacks. Every business has blows. Every single one. And you're going to have to expect that. So come into the trading game understanding that not only you're going to lose trades, but understand that you may blow accounts. You may lose maybe large sums of money, potentially. Again, silly things may happen. You may forget to put a stop loss. You may forget to do something silly. So keep that in mind. Just make sure that you're mentally prepared to say that, hey, if I'm going to take this loss or if something bad has happened, it doesn't matter because I've become the asset, I've gained the skill for it. I can always get it back. Remember, guys, no matter how much money you lose, you can always gain it back. Of course, even if you've lost a large sum of money, it's not going to feel good at that time. I completely understand that. But once that happens, you will need to understand that you can still get it back and you can make a lot more as long as you understand you are the asset. You're the individual that is building the skill. You hold the power, okay? So just remember that. So again, like I said, expect failures, expect punches, even expect things in personal life to happen. If you want to be trading full time and you want to put all your energy in it, and then something happens in your personal life that just detracts from you back testing or forward testing or doing whatever kind of testing and progressing, then again, expect that. For me, again, that can be frustrating because I understand people watching this want to make money and want to be rich in some way or another. But again, expect some setbacks, okay? Just be okay with it. Understand that as long as you're pushing forward every day, then the setbacks are fine, because if you're pushing forward every day, the skill is being inbuilt into you. So again, you are becoming the asset, okay? So guys, understand that is so key for any business, okay? And number 3, and again, this is very, very important, practicing patience, okay? I can understand quite a few of you traders out there spend tremendous amounts of time at the computer and at the charts in particular. And guys, believe me when I say this, okay? But when you watch the charts and the candlesticks can start to tell you any story that you want to imagine eventually, that even are more away from the trade plan that you are trading, okay? Say, for example, you're looking for a certain pattern for entry, for example, and you're looking at the market again and again and again. And on this day, that pattern doesn't present, but because you've been looking at the charts over and over again, it's convinced you that something has happened and for you to enter. So guys, in order to actually, and for me personally, genuinely practice patience within trading, I highly recommend that you guys have set hours for trading, even with the strategy that you guys may have heard of, ICT. There's kill zones, London kill zone and New York kill zone. But understand that if you're minimizing the time you are trading, so say for example, you're trading 4 to 6 hours per day, rather than if you're trading more than that currently, it's only going to do your trading benefit. And the way to do that is to occupy your time with something else. Create a YouTube channel, create content, read something, or I don't know, speak to family, or I don't know, maybe you're working a part-time job, do something different, maybe even fitness. Again, like I said, the whole idea is to minimize your time in trading. I'm not saying, oh, spend 1 hour in a chart. I'm trying to say be careful of how much time you spend on the charts, because again, the candlesticks can begin to tell you anything they like. So guys, do be careful of that. The real way to practice patience is to have other things in your day to do and allocate set times to trade and look for your kind of setup. And if it doesn't happen, that's absolutely fine. It's very important to understand that. I know a lot of traders out there watching this really want to become a profitable trader, really want to pass the challenge, really want to make money, and they're going to spend all day, every day at the charts. This is something that, again, like I said, I'm speaking from experience. It's something that I used to do and I found it absolutely detrimental, okay? It's one of the reasons why I blew accounts. So guys, like I said, please don't do that. Genuinely structure your day. You may hear other traders speak about this. It is extremely important, guys, okay? So guys, like I said, again, these are a few key lessons that I think are absolutely going to be critical to your trading journey. Again, if you're doing all these 3, then it's absolutely fantastic. I can make a huge video on this because there are many lessons. But again, these are the 3 key lessons that I found that will genuinely improve your trading, okay, guys? So guys, like I said, pace yourself, expect failures, and practice patience, okay, guys? So guys, just like I said at the beginning of this video, don't forget to check out the Discord down below, and again, subscribe to the Telegram. Again, make sure you're in contact with me. And if you want to reach out to me, again, like I said, feel free to do that through the Discord. Feel free to reach out through Instagram or any of the social media that I'm on. But like I said, guys, I genuinely wish you guys the best of luck with your trading journey. Take everything I've said in this video and really do that, okay? Because again, if you don't, you're going to learn the hard way. So guys, I will genuinely wish you the best. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for, again, some top content. I've been putting out absolute gold since I started this trading journey. And again, thank you to every single subscriber that has subscribed to me so far. But like I said, guys, I wish you the best and I'll speak to you guys soon.